Hey guys, welcome to a new video by Technology God, and in this video I will be showing you guys how to create a list in HTML, and it can be an unordered or an ordered or a description list. So there are three types of lists in HTML, these three, and we'll be learning how to create each one of them. So it's gonna be really easy, and before we start I encourage you guys to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon and give this video a like. Alright, so without further ado, let's get started. So over here, to define an unordered list, we use the UL tag. So UL stands for unordered list. Alright, and then we have a new tag here, the LI tag, which stands for line. And inside the LI tag, we can include the name of our first line of the list. And each LI tag you add defines a new line in the list. So we can add as many LI tags as needed. Alright, so I'm going to create a grocery list here with an unordered list. So the first item is gonna be any food. I'll just close that. And the second one is gonna be potato chips. I'll close that too. And the third one is gonna be chocolate bar. Close that too. And the final and fourth one is gonna be milk. Alright, so that's my grocery list. You can add how many items you want. And alright, so that's my unordered list. And we can close that with slash and the unordered list. So that's going to be my unordered list. I can save that and I'll open it there in my web browser. Alright, so I'm going to open my web page in my web browser here. And I see that my list has been created. So this is my output from my previous 3 videos, and at the end of the series we will have a nice and attractive web page, which is awesome. Alright, so this is another element, the unordered list. So what if I just want to name that unordered list before that? So before the UL tag, I will just define a paragraph tag, or say heading 2. Heading 2 will be perfect. So the heading 2 tag will say grocery list. I'll just close that. And I save that and open it again. I refresh the page and I see grocery list here. Awesome. So after that, I'll be showing you how to make an ordered list as well with numbers or indexes. And it's also really similar. And to define an ordered list, we use the OL tag, which stands for ordered list. And just like the unordered list, we have lines. So I'll just copy paste that and I'll just change the names over there. So I'll just name the names of 4 of my classmates. So the first classmate, I'll just make some names up. First one is gonna be Anna. Next one is gonna be Bryce. And the next one is gonna be, say, something, Peter. And the final person is gonna be Rachel. Alright, so 4 names over here, which will be our list here. And this will be named 1 Anna, 2 Bryce, 3 Peter, 4 Rachel. So it's gonna be an ordered list, and I'll also give a name to that ordered list. Before that, I close my ordered list with slash and OL. So I will name that ordered list of mine, So it's gonna be named with again a H2, heading 2. So this time it's gonna be classmates. Alright, so I'll close that too. I'll save it and I'll run it again, and I see my ordered list over here. Okay, that's amazing. Classmates, blah blah blah. Alright, so that's my output over here. And the third list, now this is a little bit complex, but this is a really useful list as well. It's the description list. So the description list is basically a list with one item, and in the next line there is a definition for the item, some kind of description for the item. So it is defined with a tag called DL, which stands for description list. And instead of the line tag, we'll be using 2 new tags here, the DT tag and the DD tag. DT and DD, which stands for define the term and define the description. So this will house our first element, say what is 1 plus 1. That is my first one. I'll close that. And next comes my description, which is DD. And I will say the answer is, say, 2. Alright. I'll just close that as well. I'll just create 3 elements for this. I'll just create more description terms and descriptions. Alright, so the next one is gonna be, what are you? Then the description is gonna be, I am a human. I'll just close that too. And my final one, copy. And description for that, it's gonna be a black black coffee drink, a black drink made of coffee. Alright, so that's my next description. I'll just close that as well. So I'll end this list as well as with the closing tag for DL. So that's my number 3 list, and I shall name that Q&A. Q&A. Alright, I'll post it as well. So here I have my 3 lists. The first one is an unordered list for a grocery list. The second one is an ordered list for classmates. And the third one is something Q&A for description lists. So that's my 3 lists. I'll just save that and I'll run it again. Okay. And I have here my description list. What is 1 plus 1? 2. What are you? I'm a human. Copy, a black drink made of coffee. Alright, so here are my 3 lists. So lists are a crucial element in HTML web page that defines a lot of things. Alright guys, so that brings me to my video's end. Alright, so you can post any kind of doubts in the comment section below. Give this video a like and please subscribe. Have a good day and goodbye.